how to make the ultimate dairy-free cheese board. Hi guys, it's me, Ursula. Welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel dedicated to healthy, conscious living. So some of us aren't vegan, but we are dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, and a lot of frees. Which kind of means you're not the most popular person at a French cheese event, alright? So when you start planning your cheese board, you want a bit of crunchy and creamy, salty and sweet, fresh and festive, just loads of fun. First, you need some dairy-free cheese. Fromage, nut cheese. You know in French, fromage, fake means fromage, fake cheese, but it sounds so much better to say fromage than fake cheese. Raw cashews are fermented and matured. Only natural ingredients and flavorings are used. Completely preservative free. Just use a little bit of Himalayan salt and sometimes a bit of nutritional yeast to give the cheesy flavor. What we love about this brand is that they are conscious about what they're creating. Their packaging is all sustainable and recyclable. I will put a link below of where you can find the stockist. Now for our cheese board we need nuts and we need something sweet. By Nature. In South Africa, By Nature is the biggest supplier of preservative-free fruits and certified organic products. Everything as far as possible as they can is organically and locally sourced. Predominantly sold at farmers markets in Cape Town. You can also buy them online. Their packaging is completely recyclable. It uses a 40 micron polypropylene, which is a barrier to moisture and keeps the quality. I'm not a big fan of pineapple, but By Nature's dried pineapples are absolutely insanely delicious. Insanely delicious. Place an order with them, just get a packet of pineapples. Even if you don't like pineapples, just get the pineapples. Then to bring on the salty layer, add olives. Olives from Kloofenberg, chili and garlic olives, country black olives, a yummy fig olive jam for sweetness. I especially love its olive oil for its premium top quality taste. My go-to olive supplier. As far as they can, they use environmentally friendly farming practices and all olives are hand-picked. Now you gotta put your cheese and your jams on a cracker. Earthshine have these delicious seed crackers. They have the salty, the Mediterranean, and then just the super seed mix. Why I specifically like this seed cracker brand. In all honesty, this is the most honest seed cracker that I could find. The focus of Earthshine is to supply highly nutritious raw food. So these seed crackers have been activated, then they are air dried at a low temperature to preserve all the nutritional value. Here we have the ultimate dairy-free cheese board, locally sourced from very cool South African brands. I will put all the links below to all the brands and where they are stocked and how to get hold of them. Say cheese!